Ilan sa mga salitang binitawan netong si Raffy Rivez sa isang panayam na bahagyang tinawanan ng ilang PBA fans. Yan ay matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Last PBA draft nga mga bulero, matatandaan na marami ang natawa sa naging komento ni Coach Yeng matapos netong kunin ang model na si Cole Mychek sa 3rd round ng nasabing draft.
Siyempre, nakakatulong din yun. Sabi ko nga, bawal ang pangit dito sa amin. So, tingnan natin. So, we'll see them in practice tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Then after that, we will make a decision.
Pero ilang linggo matapos tong sumali sa ensayo ng Ross, bigo siya na makakuha ng kontrata sa Elasto Painters. Kaya naman few days ago, matapos tong makita sa practice ng Blackwater, di naiwasang mahingan siya ng opinyon.
Yeah, the real score. No, yeah, so I'm currently a free agent, so I got released by Rain or Shine after a week of practicing with them. And then after Rain or Shine, I went and tried out with San Miguel Beerman. Okay. But I think that they're at their Phil Foreigner cap. So They really liked me, but they couldn't get me from there. And then now I've been practicing with Blackwater recently. So we're just, working really hard, grinding, leaving it up to God, and whatever happens, happens. Whatever team gets me, I'll be happy to be on and happy to give them lots of good energy, be a good teammate. Pero we'll see.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, a few days ago din mga bulero, marami ang nagulat matapos makita sa ensayo ng Fiberxers etong ex-Magnolia Center na si Raffy Rivez.
Converge, they just invited me over to check out the practice, check out the tune-up games. They just want me to see how they do things over here. They've shown a lot of interest in me joining their squad, and I really appreciate that. So we'll see. We'll see. So I'm just here to, witness how the organization do things.
Kaya naman dahil dito, di naiwasang matanong kay Rivez ang retirement.
No retirement yet. I'm still working. I never stopped. I have a lot more to give. I'll know when it's time, but it's not now. So, I can still bang with the best of them.
Yes.
And hopefully, everyone will see soon.
Pero sa kabila nito, di naiwasan na ma-question etong sinabi noon ni Raffy na grateful pa rin daw siya sa Magnolia sa kabilangan ng pagbitaw sa kanya ng koponan.
Yeah, definitely. So I went by and saw them their very first practice because I just didn't want to just walk away from that organization without saying thank you and saying also thank you to the players, the management, and just keeping it professional and thanking them for everything. Wanted to wish them the best of luck moving forward.